Hey guys, my name is Paul and today I am going to share with you some tips for taking your travel filmmaking to the next level. Let's do that right now. You want to be good at making travel videos. Well, maybe these tips will help you, maybe it won't. But whatever it will be, I'm sure that you will be able to get something out of these tips that I am about to give you. Now picture this. You're wandering through the winding streets of a vibrant city, capturing every moment with your camera. But instead of focusing solely on the tourist attractions, why not embrace the imperfections and capture the authentic, everyday moments that truly define a destination? Yep, that's right. Tip number one, embrace the imperfections. Lens flares, shaky footage, unexpected background noise. These so-called mistakes can add authenticity and character to your film like never before. Instead of focusing solely in tourist attractions, capture the mundane moments. Locals going about their everyday lives, vendors or everyday scenes. These moments provide more authentic portrayal of the destination. Experiment with perspectives, but don't just stop there. Challenge the traditional filmmaking perspectives by experimenting with unique angles and viewpoints. Get down really low or soar high with a drone, or even take your viewers on a thrilling POV shot through the bustling streets. Speaking of journeys, include personal reflections. Share your thoughts, feelings, and insights about the places that you visit. Let your audience connect with you on a deeper level as you explore the world together. You can also try this. Experiment with unconventional editing techniques like time lapses, slow motion, reverse footage. The possibilities are endless. Get creative and take your viewers on a visual roller coaster that they will never forget. Also, don't forget about the auditory experience. Capture unique soundscapes to immerse your viewers in the atmosphere of your destination. From the ambient sounds to local music, let the sounds of the world be your guide. But above all, focus on themes, not just the destinations. Explore overarching concepts like human connection, cultural exchange, and personal growth to create cohesive and meaningful narrative that will leave your audience craving for more. So there you have it, guys. Just some of the unconventional tips on how to elevate your travel filmmaking to a new level. But this is just the beginning. Be sure to check out my other videos right here for even more epic adventures in filmmaking tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so that we can all learn, create, and share. Peace out. Peace out.